Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the SU command. What is SU? SU is switch user. Now we know, like on the server we have a multiple users are there, right? So obviously like we need to switch the user many times. Let's say on my desktop, like this is my desktop server screen where I'm just entering my user ID and the password. So first of all I'm logging with Ankush user. Okay, let's say I logged in with Ankush user. Then I open the terminal and there are some of the things which needs to be only run by the root user. So I want to switch my user to root so that this terminal will be open with the help of root user and I can fire the command with the help of root user. But over the screen I have logged in with Ankush user. Let me show you this practically, then it will be more understandable. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me lock the screen. Okay, so you can see that this is a screen which is locked now. Now here the username is Ankush. Let me put my password. I just entered my password and pressing enter. Now what happened if I'm closing this terminal and let me open a new terminal? Open a terminal. You can see that the currently logged in user is Ankush. Even you can fire this command and get to know who is currently logged in. Now currently logged in user is Ankush. What I want to change this user. I don't want to log in with root user. I want to log in with root user now. So switch user. SU is for switch user root and it is asking me the password of root. I'm giving the password of root. So what you can see that if I'm firing this command, who am I? Currently logged in user is root only. Here the currently logged in user is root. Now there is one more command is there, SU-root. Many times people will ask you what is the difference between SU root and SU-root. What is this hyphen? When I use the command SU-root, when I use the command SU-root, my present working directory will not get changed. Earlier I was on desktop location and after switch user root still I am in desktop location only. My present working directory has not changed. Wherever I was, I am there after switch user root only. But if I do switch user -root, what will happen? After switching the user, I will come to the home directory of the root. So you can see that I just come back to the home directory. So that's the main importance and difference between switch user and switch user -username. This is really important and many times you will find me that I am switching my user from Oracle to root. Now I am getting a message called user Oracle does not exist because we don't have any user with the name Oracle. That's why I'm not able to do that. But whenever you know that the user is available over the server, you can switch it and then you need to put the password of that user. Make sure you know the password of that user. So the command here is SU and username. I hope this is clear. Thank you.